That one is... It's nice, but that's what I would get because, you know, I couldn't afford that one, so I'd have to get this one. I don't know. Which one y'all want? Hey yo, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I have to do voiceover because nothing was really planned. So here we are in New Jersey landing. You can already see the New York. We're gonna land and we're gonna look at the car that's at Janice Auto House. And we'll see. Let's go. They won't lower it, bro. What is the New Jersey tax? Screw that. It will smoke this thing. Y'all already know. Hellcat. What is hellcat? Oh, man. If I get it, I'll have to take it off. Either this or M3 competition. I don't know. I don't know at this point. I really like this. Look at this rims. Y'all, I will cry if I curb these. I will actually cry. The only thing I would have to be worried about with these is when I go get a like tire rotation, tire change and all that. That's the M3. Alright, yeah. But it's carbon roof. It's nice, but I think it's locked. I don't wanna set off the alarm. Yup, it's locked. But you can see the interior, bro. It's alright. It's not bad. It might be better than a Shelby, but not this one. The carbon bucket seat is the better one. I like how the fender comes out. And then the rear. Dang, they're parked so close. I think the back end is the best part of this car. The front is okay. I thought the carbon package came with it. Oh, it just has carbon roof. Anyways, I think I'm tired of this one. I like the Shelby more. But yo, they got McLaren in there. This is the dream car right here. No, not that one. That one is... It's nice, but that's what I would get because, you know, I couldn't afford that one, so I'd have to get this one. And then we have this one when we get big. But whoa, look at this paint, yo. Carbon fiber. Oh, that thing got a rock chip on it? I think it has PPF though. Oh, this thing is crazy.
Basically, it's going to be the same. No money out of pocket. It's just going to be your freight. Okay, and your monthly payments are going to be $415.
Okay. So then I'm going to hear from my on Monday.
I don't know. Which one y'all want? I could get it. You can come get it, bro. Alright. I gotta get my broke ass out of here. Hey, that 720, you can't beat the 720, but this 458 is clean too. Look at it. With red interior. Hey, but we're gonna go. I'm gonna stick with the Shelby. Taycan. Whatever you call it. Taycan, whatever the fuck. Quick video. Make sure everything is good. So when it gets delivered. That wing is crazy, bro. And you can also adjust it right here. But oh wow. Chassis number. Everything else looks good. I don't know what that sticker is on the other side. Does this suit me? It does. Bro, fuck a Hellcat. Oh my god, I want this. I need this. And I'm gonna get this. Swear to God, bro. Hey, new videos, but only thing that's gonna suck is 2 Mustang content. Ew. Beamer would be nice too. I don't know, I might change my mind last second. But as of right now, I'm loving this. Oh, my mom's gonna hate getting out of this. But there it is. Oh, fucking every time, bro. I get shocked every time. That. But the wing already has a PPF. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, right there. So anything on here, I'm not worried about it because it's just gonna come off. But everything else is good. I don't smell anything funny. The guy, whoever had it, they took the there's like a toolkit for adjusting the wing and taking the side wickers out in the front, and it has like Shelby logo and everything on it. But the guy took it, or somebody took it out. But that's where you adjust these, where you can angle the wing for more downforce. If you're going in a straight line, you want it like this. But that's it. And it's missing the air pump in the back. Alright, so here you can see we're getting the car loaded up. I got the vehicle inspected like a few days ago. The vehicle has been inspected by an inspector that is verified, and I have the full report. Everything's clear. Only thing that came out bad was, you know, little ball tires in the back, which the cup 2s are already on low threads. They come with the low threads, so I'm not worried about that. We're gonna get new tires on it, new cup 2s on it soon. But here we can see we're getting it loaded up, and I'm so excited. But yeah, this is the car I ended up going with. I really did want the M3 Comp, the G80 carbon bucket seats, but to be honest, when I looked at the Shelby, it just got my heart. Like, I already knew that this is what I wanted, and this has been my dream car. Like, I have this model car in my room for like 2 years now, but that's it. We got the dream car, and fuck an M3, because this shit is a lot limited. CSL, I don't know how many they make, but this shit I know for a fact is limited as hell. And I know you guys, I know some of you really wanted me to get the Hellcat, the jailbreak, but the reason why I didn't get that is I already got the wide body. You know, we sold it obviously, but if I would have got a cat, I mean, yeah, it would have, you know, that wine is crazy, it would have been fucking nice. But like, as of interior and everything, my Scat was decked out, and I love how it was built from interior and everything. But like, it's not gonna feel anything different from inside. Yeah, power wise, of course, but like, is it my dream car? No. Shelby, dream car? Hell yeah. M3 was never my dream car. Never even thought of it. It's just, you know, second thought came up in my mind, like 4-door, all-wheel drive. Fucking wreck my Mustang. You know, that can't happen. But hey, fuck it. Who cares? You got the car I wanted. We're gonna make some crazy ass content with this. But we're gonna take this delivery of it back in Mexico, is where I live. I'm not gonna say where I live, but anyway, we're gonna take the delivery and I'm gonna show you guys. But it should arrive in a couple weeks. But we're gonna fly back to my city. Oh my god, y'all, it's here. I'm gonna unload it. What the fuck? Oh, dang. Yo, look at it. Oh my god. Holy shit, bro. Yo. Oh my god. I can't wait. I just got done working out. But let me show you. Can't believe it. This is so unreal. I gotta get the cold start, bro. Yo, let's go. Oh my god, dude. Look at the snake, bro. thingies. And I got this little light, but that should help it not straight. Oh, it's so close. Oh, that was good. That's crazy. I'm actually scared to drive this car. Oh my god. Dang. That snake. Thank you so much. Look at this, y'all. Oh my god. Alright. We're gonna put it up. This is my first time driving it because I didn't even drive this car. Test drive it, nothing. Honestly, I don't even know how to use that. Oh, these Ricardos. Oh, dang, bro. Oh my god, look at it. This thing is so sexy. Enable forward, yes. Everything, yes. That says congratulations. Thank you, babe. Oh, I need to get, bro, they didn't even give me gas. Oh, I'm gonna have to get gas. Let me put it up real quick, all right? I'll catch you. Guys, getting it up was hard, but it's up. I'm gonna connect the stuff in here and, all right, yeah. Look at this engine. Ooh. I got Austin coming. He's gonna fully detail this car tomorrow. And let me put this up in the garage so I can put that Mustang up here so he can get out of here. But yeah, Shelby's here, y'all. We're gonna record more tomorrow because it's night right now. But I'll record more in the morning, so I'll catch y'all. All right, y'all, look who's here. Look who it is. We're finna get the first reaction. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my god, dude, that shit is nice.
And then
the white.
that's gonna.
It's like mine.
Yeah, but
you gonna do red?
Yeah, I'm gonna get tape.
Heck yeah.
A YouTuber touched this. Famous
To
YouTuber.
famous YouTubers. Carbon fiber steering wheel. YouTuber, what's his name?
Bro 4 Speeds. They
Bro
review
4
cars.
Speed. Yeah, they have like 300,000 subscribers. All right, you wanna? Time to get your reaction.
Yeah.
Let's go inside. But we gotta get gas in it.
Okay, we'll get gas in it.
Oh shoot, dude.
We'll get all this.
Oh, those are bugs.
Yeah, we'll.
Dead bugs. Oh, I have Austin go and detail it tomorrow. He's gonna clean the engine bay.
Hello.
He's gonna clean engine bay, the bottom of the car, interior, everything.
Oh my god.
Dude,
that's
those
a lot.
wheels.
Yeah.
And look, the lip. There's the lip.
One wheel, one turbocharger.
That's the lip. And then those are the wickers in the bags. If you guys don't know what wickers are, I'm sure. Track and then road, it says no. Apparently this is track use only, but fuck that.
Fuck it. I don't know.
That shit expensive, bro. This shit was like 500 for both of them, so 250 a piece.
Oh, let me call my mom.
Oh shoot, you gonna show your mom? He's gonna show
Oh,
his
you
mom,
like
y'all.
that?
Oh yeah, look at that cup, boy. See the chassis number on there? Dang, bro, look at that. 1381. That's crazy. I love the digital dash on this. And the snake. There's the snake right here, which is like my mode. So you can set your mode. This is your magnetic suspension. Look at that. And then your steering wheel control. Like if you want to make it sport or whatever track. It also has active exhaust. Other than that, it has carbon dash. It has the gauges right here. This is the oil temp and then pressure. But bro, this is freaking crazy. Oh my god. I'll record more tomorrow, I promise. But for now, we're gonna put it up.